In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your password through your corporate portal login page. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to your organization's login portal. This is the same website you normally use to sign in to your account. In many cases, it will be a dedicated login address for your company's portal. Make sure you enter the correct login page so you're working in the official and secure environment. Once the login page has fully loaded, look carefully for the link that says "Forgot your password." This is usually located near the sign-in fields, often below the username and password boxes. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the page slowly. When you find it, click that link to begin the password recovery process. You'll then be taken to a password reset screen. On this page, enter your username exactly as it is associated with your account. Accuracy matters here, so be sure to type it in the correct format without extra spaces or mistakes. If your company uses a specific username style, such as a full login ID, make sure you use that exact version. After entering it, click Continue to move forward. The system will now send an automated security message to the email address connected to your account profile. Open your email inbox and look for the password recovery message. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a minute or two, and then check your spam, junk, or filtered folders just in case it was redirected there. It's also a good idea to make sure you're checking the correct email account linked to your profile. When you find the email, open it and look for the verification link inside. This link is designed to confirm your identity and take you to the password reset page. Click the link in the message and you'll be redirected to a secure page where you can create a new password. At that point, choose a fresh password that matches your organization's password requirements. In general, a strong password is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Once you've set your new password, you'll be ready to use it the next time you sign in. That's the full password reset process using your corporate portal. Follow each screen carefully, and you should be back in your account in just a